How to remove background sound on CapCut. This is super simple, super easy. I do this all the time. I use it myself. So what you have to do firstly is if you have a fan or something in the background, just turn that off. That's the first thing. But if you already made the video and you don't want to go back and make the video again, you know what I'm saying? What you have to do is you're gonna have to click on the video. Then once you click on the video, you're gonna have to go to audio setting right here. As you guys can see, it's all the way to my right. You're gonna have to click on audio. Now from here, if your mic is super loud or something like that, you're gonna have to click on normalize loudness. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna have to click on that. Then once you click on that, it should take a while and it should normalize all the loudness and everything that's going on in your background. Now for this one right here, where it says reduce noise, you're gonna have to turn this on. This is basically turning off all the unnecessary noises you have in the background. For example, like all those fan sounds, your PC sounds, or somebody talking in the background. It's gonna turn that off. You know what I'm saying? So just turn on reduce noise and normalize loudness. Those are the two. Now if you want to make your voice better, you want to make your voice sound smooth. If it's like getting stopped somewhere, you know what I'm saying? It's like you want to make it sound smooth and very good. What you're gonna have to click on enhance voice, which is this one right here. Now from here, you could choose whatever you want, but I normally like around 80. It's perfect for me. It makes my voice sound super smooth and stuff. So if that's what you want, you could do that. You know what I'm saying? But if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.